Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $5 to $50 over and over again with this free tool, and it's going to be pretty easy, guys. So let's get started right now. Hello guys, before I get started, I just want to show you what I do for a living online, and that is right here on the right on my YouTube channel here. This is what I do to make thousands of dollars per month that uses a business model that takes advantage of the internet so that you can earn money 24/7, earning passive online income. So if you want to do something like that, you can check out what I do and I can tell you exactly what it is that is, and you can learn with me and I can help you in your journey, okay? All right, so the method I want to show you today starts at Fiverr.com. Okay, and when you're at Fiverr.com, I want you to search logo design. When you're looking at these logo design gigs that are available here, these are people who will provide the service, okay? So this is not a very hard thing to do for logo design because I'm going to show you two sites that you can actually use to design these logos with very easy, like a few minutes. You could literally do a logo for a client if you wish, okay? So there are two free tools that you can do that at, okay? So you don't have to know graphic design or anything like that because these free tools are amazing and they do it for you very easily. So the first one I want to show you is at Canva, canva.com. At canva.com, this is free and paid service, but the free is enough, okay? So all you gotta do is first you sign up with your own email, or you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook. So once you sign up, then you can look at Discover and you can look at the logos here, okay? See, this is a free logo maker. Start designing a custom logo. And what you're doing here is that Canva is going to give you tons of little templates where you can do very simple designs and make your logo for your clients very easily. See how to make a logo. Choose from our range of professionally designed logo templates. Add your brand name to your logo template. Customize your logo with your brand colors. Download and share your finished logo, and then add your logo to whatever you want. So you could download the logo for your clients so they can put it on all their items, okay? So this is definitely one resource that you can use, but this other one's even more fun. So this other one I want to show you is at freelogodesign.org. Okay, so all you gotta do is enter a company name and then you can select a category if you wish. So let's say I'm going to do a bike company, okay? So the company could be called Biking Experts. And then I'm going to select sports and then get started. So right here, see, it's already giving us logos here already, but there are 6 pages that you can kind of go through. See, you can use something like this, and then you can edit anything you want. So it's very simple. So you could edit right here on the right side, however color you want to do. You want more blue, more green. You could change the color to different colors you like, and so forth. So there's a lot of different elements you can edit. You can edit the name, you could edit the color, you could edit the fonts. So you could change the shape if you want of the logo here. So there's just many elements that you can do here to change. You can add more text. You could choose your own font. So there's many things that you can do here, as you can see. So this is another free tool that you can use to make your logos with, okay? So once you make your logo, then you can offer these services here. And you can start with, so this is Fiverr.com. So a lot of the logos or the gigs, you can start at $5, but a lot of these, you see, a lot of these people don't even start at $5. They start at $35 and up. So if you're just starting out though, you might want to just do something simple and do something lower price, and maybe you'll get more clients at the beginning, and you want to probably do that in the beginning because you want to be able to charge people. See, you don't have to just charge one price. There's different packages you could recommend. So basic, you could start at $5, and then you could say $15 or $25 for a premium package, and you could give them more stuff. So this is definitely one option, guys, where you can sell your logos. And this is another website that you can do this at. This is called People Per Hour. And again, I just searched logo design, and there are a bunch of people that are selling their services here like this. And you could do the same thing. And look, these pricing, it starts at $10, $20, $30. And you can use the Canva or the logodesign.org and use these free tools to get you clients, okay? And so for this site, if you view one of them, it just sets up a little bit different than the other site. So here, you're not going to offer different packages. So you can start with $10 or whatever amount minimum you want. And then you can add on, you can offer these add-ons down here. And then you can actually kind of price it a little bit higher because these are just add-ons, and you can have a bunch of different things that you can add to the order for your clients to add to the order. So you could kind of do that, okay? So this is a very good website as well to make money on and put your gigs on. And so that's Fiverr, and this is People Per Hour. And then here's a third site that you can get your first jobs actually. So if you go to freelancer.com and then again search logo design under browse jobs, so there's already people needing logo design, and so you can use these to help you get started and try doing some of these jobs right here already, okay? So you can kind of get your feet wet with this website here and try some of these logo design jobs right here and see if you could get these done with the free tools. And another website that you can try at is at Upwork, okay? At Upwork.com, there's a lot of people who are wanting to get their logo design as well. So if you search here jobs, see, people are willing to pay like $100. Here's a company looking to revamp their logo, $20 to $35. Here's $50 for a logo for cancer research. So there are definitely different jobs that you can already start trying with the free tools, or you can try doing your own clients with Fiverr.com, People Per Hour, or these other freelancer websites that I was trying to show you, okay? You could, freelancer.com plus Upwork, you could actually list yourself as logo makers, okay? And have your own listing on these two websites. So that's quite a few different ways for you to do logo designs using free tools like Canva.com or the free logodesign.org site. So I really hope you enjoyed these two free tools. But the only thing is that this kind of work, you are still trading time for money. So for anyone who wants to learn a better way to make money online, which is doing it passively so you can earn any time of the day, that is going to be the second link in the video description. If you want to see what I do online, that is what I do, and I can help you if you want to follow my footsteps, okay? And that is a great program to check it out so that you can learn how to make real passive online income with the best business model on the internet, okay? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I'm not sure when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.